All right, welcome to the course. I'm so glad you enrolled, and you're going to get so much benefit out of this stuff. You just gotta, just absorb it and implement it. That's really all there is to this stuff. But before we get started, I want to show you kind of how the course is structured so that you can, really just absorb everything and it makes the most sense to you. And here's how it works. From here, we're going into 5 different network contacts that you need to get connected with in your market. And when we go into these connections, I'm going to show you who they are. I'm going to teach you why you need to know them. I'm going to teach you where to find them. And finally, we're going to go into how to incentivize them. So there are those 4 little, steps within each of these 5 network contacts. Okay? That's how it's broken down. After we go through the network contacts, we're going to go into a section where there are tools. It's some different documents and resources that you're going to need to effectively work with these people. And then finally, lastly in the course, we're going to go into some habits. There are a few different habits that you need to develop in order to really leverage and utilize these contacts, okay? That's it. That's how the course is broken down. Now, before we get into the next section, I want to talk about this. And this is deep stuff, and it is very, very important, okay? Here is the underlying theme in this course, and the underlying theme with networking in general. This is it. If you take good care of your people, they will take good care of you. That probably sounds like something your mom or dad might have told you when you were a kid, but that is very, very important stuff. A lot of people when they're networking, it's just it kind of becomes a game of just collecting names and email addresses and phone numbers, or collecting business cards. Probably everybody has a pile of business cards in their top drawer of their desk. That's not going to get you anywhere in real estate. The size of your business card stack is not a reflection of your success. What is a reflection of your success is how well you are at building meaningful and mutually beneficial relationships with the people in your network. Now, in this course, we're only talking about 5 people. We're not talking about building relationships with thousands of people here. You got to find these 5 people. You got to get to know them. You got to incentivize them and set up those relationships, and then you're going to benefit in a huge way from all of the deals that they can send your way. But you got to take good care of those people. I'm going to teach you how to do that stuff, but just understand that it's a two-way street. It's not just funneling deals in your world so you can make a bunch of money, because it really doesn't work like that. You're not going to have this continuous stream of deals unless you understand that it's kind of a two-way street, and you got to take really good care of your people. Okay, I hope that I've kind of drilled that home for you. Through each lesson, just keep that in mind. Take good care of your people, and they will take good care of you. All right, let's get into the next lesson.